Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am going to explain constant function, the graph of constant function. According to the definition of constant function, define the relation here. If a relation is defined as f such that r tends to r, here domain and codomain will be real number because it is a real value function. So the domain and codomain both will be real number. By y is equal to f of x equal to c. Y and f of x both are same. Both are same. Here x belongs to real number. X belongs to real number means domain belongs to real number. Where c is what? C is constant term. Where c is what? C is constant. And each x belongs to real number. Now I am talking about the nature of the graph. Nature of the graph of constant function, domain, codomain and range. Now I am talking about what? Nature of graph. Nature of graph, domain of constant function, codomain and range. Here y is equal to f of x is equal to c. Now I am going to draw graph of constant function. The graph of constant function. Here y is equal to c or f of x equal to c. This is x axis. This is y axis. This is y axis. This is origin. Here y is equal to c. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Suppose now I am taking an example for the explanation of the constant function. According to the definition of constant function, f of x is equal to c and f such that r tends to r. R tends to r. Here domain and codomain both will be real number. And what should be the range of this graph? For example, f of x is equal to 5. F of x equal to 5. So we can write in place of f of x along the y axis. F of x along the y axis. So in place of f of x we will write y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 means the graph of this function is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. Why it is parallel to x axis? Because y is equal to 5 unit along the y axis, and the graph of this function, the graph of the constant function always parallel to x axis. Always parallel to x axis. Children, can we write y is equal to 5 as y is equal to 5 plus 0x? Can we write? Tell me children. Can we write y is equal to 5 can be written as y is equal to 0 into x? Here x is what? X is real number. X belongs to real number. The domain of this function is what? The domain of the constant function is always real number. Domain of constant function always real number. If we will take some values of x. Suppose x equal to 1. What will be the value of y? If x equal to 1, here 1 is the real number. If x equal to 1, what should be the value of y? The value of y is equal to 5. If x equal to minus 1, if x equal to -1, if x equal to -1, what should be the value of y? Y is equal to 5 plus 0 into -1, it will become 5. If x equal to 3, x equal to 3, so what should be the value of y? What should be the value of y? If x equal to 3, then y equal to 5 plus 0 into 3, it is also 5. If x equal to 7, what should be the value of y? Y is equal to 5 plus 0 into 7, it is equal to 5. Here for different values of x, we will get the value of y is what? The value of y is always one value. It is always equal to 5. It is always equal to 5. So here the domain of constant function will always real number. And what should be the range? What should be the range? Range of constant function. The range of constant function is, see, here the value of c is what? Here the value of c is 5. In this example, the value of c is 5. So the range of this function is equal to set of 5. We can represent this function with help of arrow diagram. We can represent the graph of the with help of arrow diagram. Suppose it is set A and it is set B. The value of x is what? 1, 2, -3, -5 and so on. There will be different types of real numbers. And here this is r and this is also r. According to this example, if the value of x equal to 1, what will the value of y? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. There are many different types of real numbers. If the value of x equal to 1, what will be the value of y? Value of y is 5. 1 is related with 5, 2 is also related with 5, -3 is related with 5. Here x equal to -1. If x equal to -1, what should be the value of x equal to -1? What should be the value of y? It is also 5. If x equal to -5, so what will be the value of y? 0, 5 plus 0 into x, 5 plus 0 into -5, it is 0, it is equal to 5. It means this is a many one function. The domain of the constant function always real number and the range of constant function always constant. It is a many one. What is the name of this function? Many one. Okay. So can you children, can you tell me what is the range, domain, range and codomain of this function? For example, I am taking another example. Y is equal to f of x is equal to -3. What should be the nature of this graph? What should be the nature of this graph? The nature of this graph is always parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to -3. Y is equal to -3. So we can draw the graph of this function. -1, -2, -3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. X dash, y, y dash. -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here y is equal to -3, negative side of y-axis. The graph of this function is like this. Okay, this is y is equal to -3. So can you tell me children, what will be the domain of this function? Domain of constant function always real number and range is equal to what? Range is equal to -3. For different values of x, we will get only one value of y. For example, y is equal to -3 can be written as -3 plus 0 into x. If x equal to 1, we will get y equal to what? -3. If x equal to minus 2, what will the value of y? The value of y is equal to minus 3. If x equal to 5, what will the value of y? Y is equal to minus 3. In each and every case, we will get the value of y is equal to what? The value of y is equal to minus 3. So the range is minus 3. Thank you, children.